Crows, those glossy black birds often seen perched atop telephone wires or circling overhead, possess an intelligence that continues to astonish scientists and casual observers alike. For centuries, they have been the subjects of myths, stories, and superstitions, but modern research has revealed that crows are not just clever, they are among the most intelligent animals on the planet. In fact, their cognitive abilities are so advanced that they rival those of a 7-year-old human child. One of the most striking demonstrations of crow intelligence lies in their ability to solve complex puzzles. In laboratory experiments, crows have been presented with tasks that require both insight and planning. For example, researchers have challenged crows with puzzles that involve a series of steps to obtain a treat, such as using one tool to retrieve another tool, which is then used to reach a piece of food. Astonishingly, crows can navigate these multi-stage problems, often figuring out solutions on their very first attempt. This ability to reason through a sequence of actions, known as causal reasoning, is a hallmark of advanced cognition and is rarely observed outside of primates. Tool use is another area where crows excel. While many animals use objects in their environment, crows take tool use to an entirely new level. New Caledonian crows, in particular, are famous for crafting sticks into hooks to extract insects from crevices. They've even been observed bending wires into hooks, an impressive feat that demonstrates both foresight and an understanding of the properties of different materials. This level of ingenuity is not only rare among birds, but it also places crows in an elite group of tool-using animals that includes chimpanzees and humans. But crow intelligence goes beyond problem-solving and tool use. These birds also possess remarkable social awareness. Crows can recognize individual human faces and remember them for years. In one study, researchers who trapped and banded crows while wearing distinctive masks found that the birds would scold and mob anyone wearing those same masks long after the initial encounter. Even more impressively, crows can communicate this knowledge to other members of their group, warning them about potentially dangerous humans. This ability to recognize and remember individuals is a clear sign of advanced memory and social intelligence. Communication within crow communities is equally sophisticated. Crows use a rich repertoire of vocalizations and body language to convey information. They can alert each other to the presence of food, signal danger, and even coordinate group activities like mobbing predators. Some studies suggest that crows can pass on cultural knowledge, teaching younger birds how to use tools or avoid threats. This social learning, the transmission of knowledge from one generation to the next, was once considered a uniquely human trait. The intelligence of crows is not just a curiosity. It has significant implications for our understanding of animal cognition. By studying crows, scientists are gaining new insights into how intelligence evolves and manifests in different species. Crows demonstrate that complex problem-solving, tool use, and social awareness are not exclusive to primates. These abilities can arise in animals with very different brains and evolutionary histories, suggesting that intelligence is shaped by environmental challenges and opportunities. So the next time you see a crow, take a moment to appreciate the mind at work behind those keen eyes. Whether they're solving puzzles, crafting tools, or remembering your face, crows are constantly navigating a world that demands adaptability, creativity, and wit. Their intelligence is a reminder that the animal kingdom is full of surprises, and that we share this planet with creatures whose minds may be more like our own than we ever imagined.